versus PPH Love. First fight ball ng PPH. Pasok. Adelina phase 1. First fight. Bago tayo magsimula ng game natin, gusto ko lang gamitin itong opportunity na ito para i-shoutout ng ating mga sponsors. Kalos PH, Marquis, Pradelo, Zero Drop, Santis at Roxy Lugan. Once again, shoutout po at salamat sa sponsors natin. Magandang laban to. Dalawang shooter. Halili versus Sadsad. Battle of the Archers. Adelina phase 1 takes the ball. Sadsad, unang tira. No good. Rebound by Gaa. Gaa, pass to Manda, back to Gaa. Gaa. Foul. Foul number 19. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw basket is good. Second free throw basket, no good. Halili bringing down the ball. Pass to Diaz. He passed by Belen. Belen, 2 points. Halili pass to Santos. Santos no good. Rebound by Diaz. Pass to Argueva. Argueva no good. Rebound by Sadsad. Belen bringing down the ball. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, 2 points. Steal by Sadsad. Nakuha ulit ni Argueva. Nawala ang bola. Halili securing the ball, bringing down the ball. Balik sa kanilang point guard. Huertas. Huertas taking the 2. Huertas, 2 points. Official score, 5-2. Lamang ng 3 ang Adelina phase 1. Sadsad, what a pass to Mantap, 2 points. Halili. Halili taking the 3. Halili no good. Rebound by Mantap. Sadsad bringing down the ball. Pass to Belen. What a pass! Yun lang.
Paliwanagin ko lang ang labo.
Ravening violations natin ni Rep. PPH ball. Halili taking the 3. Halili! 3! Belen pass to Sadsad. Sadsad taking the 3. No good. Rebound by Argueva. Back to the point guard. Huertas pass again to Halili. Back to Huertas. Screen Diaz. Huertas takes the three. Huertas no good rebound by Diaz. Pass to Santos. Santos no good rebound by Manda. Bring lang the ball. Ano kaya ang kanyang gagawin? Belen. No good. Rebound to Huertas. Huertas. Nagkagulo siya. Official score natin, 7-5 lamang ng dalawa ang Adelina Base 1. Mantap taking the 3. Mantap no good. Rebound Huertas. Pass break. Luis Diaz sumama sa paa. Diaz again. Diaz. No good. Rebound by Kaan. Gato Belen. Belen to Sadsad. Sadsad designating Sadsad. 2 points. Malilipas to Huertas. Huertas. 14 to shoot. Halili taking the 3. Halili no good rebound by Cueva. At Cueva. 2 points. Pass to Sadsad, corner 3, Sadsad no good, rebound by Mandap, second chance opportunity, no good, rebound again by Sadsad, 2 points, ready tayo ng change for pass break to Halili, 2 points, change for time, official score natin, 11-9, lamang pa rin ang Adelina Phase 1, remaining time, 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Kulang dito ang PPH Club, dalawa lang pinalitan. Huertas and Diaz out. Pangilinan and Madrona in. Miraclos. Technical difficulties, 6 ang Adelina Phase 1. Halili taking that technical free throw. Technical free throw good. Polillo, their point guard. Polillo pass to Miraflor. Same ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds na lang po. Miranda nakikita pa. Miranda, 2 points. Pangilinan training down the ball. Pangilinan pass to Madrona. Pass to Halili. Halili pass to Santos. Santos, Cueva. 2 points. Miranda, 2 number 0. Balik kay Miranda. Miranda to Polillo. Miranda, ulit. Miranda, pass to number 0. Balik kay Miraflor. Miraflor, no good rebound. Number 10, 2 points. Lili. Pass to Cueva. Cueva. Still by number 10. Pass to Miranda. Miranda bringing down the ball. Miranda. Foul. 2 shots. Foul number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. Miranda on the free throw line. First free throw shot is good. Second free throw shot is good. Official score 16-12 in favor pa rin ang Adelina Personal. Madonna piningin down the ball. Madonna, isya nila pero hindi nakuha. Madonna! No good. Rebound by number 10 pass to Miranda. Miranda again bringing down the ball. Miranda pinunggo dito si number 19. Miranda, 2 points. Pangilinan. Play. Pass to Halili. Halili taking the 3. Halili! Number 0. Bring down the ball. Pass to Polillo. Polillo. Nakuha ni Carcueva. Santos. Pass to Madonna. Steal by Polillo. Pass to number 10. Number 10. 2 points. May kasamang foul. Okay. Foul number 19. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Number 10. Ball of free throw basket is good. Time out. 2 Glove. Official score 22-15. Lamang pa rin ng Adelina phase 1. Ang remaining time natin 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Back to the ball game. Pangilinan. Pass to Halili. 14 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan pass to Madrona. Madrona pass to Carcueva. No good Carcueva again. Seconds opportunity pass to Halili. 10 seconds. Santos wide open 3. Santos no good. Adelina phase 1 ball. Number 0 to Polillo. Steal by Pangilinan. Foul number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. Madonna. Bringing down the ball. Madonna naghahanap ng pagkasahan. Madonna to Carcueva, check by number 10, pass to Miranda. Miranda! 2 points! Madonna to Carcueva again. Same ball. Nakuha ng number 10. Pangilinan to Madonna. Madonna take pass to Halili. Halili will open. Halili no good. Rebound number 10. Pass to number 0. Bringing down the ball. Number 0. Drop pass to Polillo. Polillo no good. Rebound by Carcueva. Carcueva. 2 points. 45 seconds. Number 0, 2 points. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan to Halili. Pass to Madrona. Madrona taking the 2 points. Madrona, 2 points. 15 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds. Miraculor. No good rebound, Pangilinan. 3 seconds. Halili. Halili, no good. End of the first quarter. Official score 19-26. Lamang pa din ang Adelina Phase 1. Diaz no good. Rebound by Belen. Belen. Floater. 2 points, Belen. Pangilinan bringing down the ball. Diaz is stealing. Pangilinan. Pass to Madrona. Madrona no good. Rebound Diaz. Diaz back again to Madrona. Madrona trying again. Madrona 2 points. Belen, pass to Sadsad. Sadsad taking the 3. Sadsad no good rebound by Carcueva. Carcueva to Madrona. Madrona bringing down the ball. Madrona, back to Pangilinan. Pangilinan taking the 3. Pangilinan no good rebound by Manbak. Pass to Sadsad. Sadsad to Belen. Belen, 2 points. Lumipad na naman si Belen. Pangilinan, dribbling. Pangilinan, floater, 2 points. Good. Belen to Sadsad. Sadsad again, back to Belen. Now, foul. Foul number 2. First personal foul. First team foul. Now first free throw is not good. Second free throw no good again. Rebound Carcueva. Carcueva to Pangilinan. Pangilinan to Huertas. Huertas dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 19. First personal foul. 19 takin po. Salamat. 14 seconds to shoot. Madonna sa Pangilinan. Pangilinan wide open. Pangilinan not good. Rebound Carcueva. Carcueva 2 points. Lumuwag ang depensa. Belen to Sadsad. To Mandak. Mandak back to Sadsad. Official score 13-25. 5 na lang ang lamang ng Adelina Phase 1. I'm gonna bring the ball, dribbling the ball to Pangilinan, to Huertas. Huertas. Foul. Foul number 20. First personal foul. First team foul. Correction, second personal foul. Work the second free throw basket is good. Belen. Pass to Mandap. Mandap. Pass to Sadsad. Sadsad. Nang. Steal by Cueva. Turnover. Kay Cueva to Madrona. Madrona bringing down the ball. Madrona. Blocked by Mandap. 14 seconds to shoot. Turnover Diaz. Sadsad na una. Sadsad 2 points. May kasamang tampal sa board. Fourteen to shoot. Pangilihan ko Madrona. Madrona ba? Madrona. Then, and Sadsad. Sadsad taking the 2 points layup. Sadsad 2 points. Cueva. Cueva no good. Number 1 to Belen. Belen! No good! Ang ganda ng move, sayang! Number 19, second personal foul. Third team foul. Last possession, you're ready ng second unit. Huertas. Madrona. No good rebound. Second shot. Game 5. Official score, 34-28. Still in favor of Adelina, place of 1. Committee time out.
Ay, ito po. Oo, ito. May bago po. May bago? Oo, ayun po.
Sorry po sa technical difficulties. Polillo. Polillo to number 10. Back to Polillo. Polillo number 10. Back to Polillo. Polillo to Mirablor. Mirablor 2 points. Hindi magkasundo kung sino titira. Huertas. Paso Halili. Halili. Halili no good. Rebound Polillo. Polilio to Miranda. Miranda to Miraflor. Miraflor, pass to number 10. Oh! Turnover, pass to Huertas. Ay, back to Huertas. Huertas taking the 3. Huertas, 3. Huertas wide open. TTL talaga yun. Polilio to number 10. Fake pass, number 10, 2 points. Pangilinan. Floater, no good. Rebound by Miraflor. Number 0, pass to Polilio. Oh no! Turnover, hindi na sa'yo. TTH ball.
Feeling ko po. Mas bigat? Wala isang bola.
Wala isang bola.
Nasa likod yun.
Pangilinan. Dribbling the ball. Pangilinan. To Carcuepa, wide open. Carcuepa na good rebound by number 10. Number 0, bringing down the ball. Pasa dito Polilio, what a pass! Polilio no good. Rebound by Huertas. Huertas, bringing down the ball to Carcuepa. Set lang daw. Halili, wide open. No good. Rebound again by PTH. Carcuepa, no good. Number 10. Polilio, no good. Carcuepa, 2 points. Number 10, wide open, no good. Rebound B, Carcuepa. Pangilinan. Pangilinan po Halili. Halili. Halili na mag-iwan Huertas with a put back 2 points. Official score 38-35. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Adelina Phase 1. Miraflor, drop shot no good, rebound number 10. Pass break to Halili. Halili, 2 points. May kasamang foul. Rinig ang palo. Foul number 9. First personal foul. Penalty tayo.
Third quarter.
40 penalty. Ball slip on that good. Isa na lang ang lamang Adelina Phase 1. Miranda, drop shot no good. Rebound by Miraflor. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Steal by Pangilinan. To Halili again. Halili and Huertas. 2 points. PTH taking the lead by 1 point. Official score 39-38. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 10. First personal foul. Penalty. First free throw basket, no good. Second free throw basket, no good. Miraflor. Foul again. Foul number 19. Third personal foul. Penalty. floor. First free throw basket is good. Both free throws are good. Pangilinan. Two. Huertas. Huertas set ng daw. Pangilinan. Halili. Back to Pangilinan. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Huertas to Santos. Traveling violation. 55 seconds. Polillo to Miranda. Miranda to 3 points. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Tumama sa kampe. Miranda on the move. Miranda 2 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul number 31. First personal foul. Penalty. Rico. 3 shots for Halili. First free throw is good. Second free throw is good. Third free throw basket is good. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Miranda, 2 points. End of the first half. Official score 47-42 in favor pa din ng Manila Baseball. Belen to Miranda. Miranda to Belen. Belen taking the three. Belen no good. Rebound by Miranda. Miranda taking the foul shot. Miranda 2 points. Pangilinan, fielding the ball. Back to their point guard. Huertas. Back to Huertas again. Huertas. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Halili. Fake. Halili drive. Halili no good. Rebound by Sadsad. Belen on the move. Belen. Loader is good. 2 points. Belen. Huertas. To Diaz. Diaz. No good. Pangilinan to Huertas. 10 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan. No good. Pangilinan again. Second chance opportunity. No good. Rebound by number 27. Belen. Foul number 1. Second personal foul. First team foul. Good foul there by Halili. Belen to Sadsad. Sadsad jump shot. No good. Rebound. Number 27. Still by Huertas. Huertas. Turnover. Substitution. Number 14 in. Number 27 out. Belen to Miranda, wide open. Thinking that really no good. Rebound by Huertas. Huertas to the outside. Miranda, no good. Pangilinan, bring down the ball. Pangilinan to Madrona. Madrona, basic basketball, 2 points. And Belen, 2 points. Diaz. Diaz with a loader, no good. Sadsad to Miranda, 2 points. Connection. Official score 55-44. Lamang ang Adelina baseball. Pangilinan. Tear drag no good. Rebound by Madrona. Madrona taking the three. Madrona 3. Belen to Sadsad. Sadsad. Sumabuak. Sadsad 3. Palitan ang 3-pointer. Huertas. No good. Rebound by Mandap. Mandap to Miranda. To Belen. Belen 2 points. Ang bibilis nila. Halili wait lang daw. Halili to Madrona. Madrona no good. Rebound by Gab. To Belen. Belen running on the ball to Miranda. Number 10, number 15 out. Substitution. Made of floor to Sego. Miranda breaks it 2 points. 62-47 ang ating score. Lamang pa din ang Adelina Phase 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Steven Miranda. Miranda all alone. Miranda 2 points. Seconds to shoot. Pangilinan, binato. Rebound Miranda. Belen. Iniwan na. Number 1. Belen is 2 points. Time out. TTH to love. Back to the ball game. Halili out. Madonna dribbling the ball. Madonna to Santos. Santos to Pangilinan. Pangilinan with the play. Pangilinan buka. Miraculor by rebound. Belen bringing down the ball. Belen, no good. Foul. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. First 2 foul. Good pass but didn't execute it well. 14 seconds to shoot. Belen to Miraculor. Miraculor to win. Madonna. Still by Miraculor. Ben. Belen to number 10. Sablay. Number 0 in the tape. Foul. Foul number 2. Third personal foul. Third 2 foul. 2 shots for number 0. Balupahan. First free throw basket is no good. Correction. Baluyan. Second free throw basket is good. Official score 70-47. Tuluyan ang nakalayo ang ating na phase 1. Pangilinan kick out to Madonna. Madonna taking the 3. Madonna no good. Rebound. Tumama sa toward. Adeline na phase 1 ball. Belen to Miraculor. Miraculor taking the 3 again, no good. Rebound na nagkala. Carpeta to Diaz. Diaz bringing down the ball. Still by lang. Belen to Miraculor. Miraculor to number 0. To Belen. Belen lowers good 2 points. Number 15, Akin.
Ito rin yung taxi guy. Dahil ang muna eh.
14 to shoot. Foul number 0. First personal foul. Number 15, Akin. Thank you so much. Diaz taking the 3, no good. All board. Carcaro with a rebound, no good again. Rebound by Miraculor. Nagkakainitan, pareho number 19. Hiwalay po kayo.
Dalawang 19.
Foul number 19, third personal foul. Ng Santos. Fourth personal foul.
Warning na tuloy yun, no? Warning yan. Warning yan.
Lord. Aguero being down the ball. Aguero blocked by number 10. Same ball. Cueva at Pangilinan. Cueva taking the three. Cueva na good. Santos with a rebound. Santos second chance opportunities. Good 2 points. Number 0 to number 10. Single. Substitution. Kaan. Miracler out. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 10 taking the 3. No good. Rebound by Kaan. Number 0. Baluran. Baluran. Rebound by number 19. Number 19 to Madrona. Madrona nag-designate. Buti na lang nawala ang bola kay Kaan. Same ball. 16 seconds on the shot clock. To Madrona. Madrona taking that three, no good. Rebound by number 1. Back to number 10. To number 0, back to number 10. Foul!
Katapal din, no? Maganda sa akin.
Foul number 15, first personal foul. And 2. First team basket is good. Second team basket no good. Rebound number 27. Number 19. Oh! Double. Wide open lane, but turn over. Baluran taking the 3. Baluran 3. Official score 76-49. Still in favor of Adriano Baiswan. Pangilinan to Diaz. 14 seconds to shoot. Diaz. Fighting for the ball. Cargueva to Madrona. Play to Diaz. Diaz 2 points. 25 seconds to shoot. Baluran again. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10 taking the 3. No good. Rebound by Diaz to Pangilinan. Pass break. Pangilinan 2 points. And off the third to Walker. We are approaching to Walker. Official score 76-53. Ang layo na ng kalamakan ng Adilina Phase 1. Number 19 ng PDH, fourth personal foul na. Back to the ball game.
Pag sumablay yun, goodie. Yeah, pag sumablay yun, goodie.
First five, first five. Nagkakalian. Halili, bago na ball pass sa Carcueva. Back to Halili. Halili to Carcueva. Carcueva wide open to Ray, no good. Rebound by number 1. Miranda. Miranda Tumero. No good naman. Pangilinan. No good. Rebound Diaz. Foul number 31, second personal foul. First two foul. Substitution. Kulong na in. Diaz out. Carcueva turning the shot. Carcueva three. Miranda taking the ball. Miranda. To man. Not taking the three. No good. Rebound Santos. Santos to Halili. Halili to Pangilinan. Pangilinan screen Columna. Pangilinan kick out to Halili. 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 Miranda bringing down the ball. Snap screen. Miranda. Same ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Screen number 1. Miranda. Back to number 1 for points. Pangilinan. Pangilinan to Kulunga. Kulunga to points. Number 1. Still by Pangilinan. Pangilinan to Carcueva. Carcueva. Pinuha ko. No good. Miranda. Shot. Miranda 2 points. Dos lang for Miranda. Pangilinan. Foul number. Who's foul, rep? Miranda first personal foul. Second team foul. Pangilinan. Kick out to Carcueva. Carcueva wide open. Carcueva three. Official score 80-64. Near the floor. 14 to shoot. Turnover. PH ball. Pangilinan to Halili. Halili. Stop. Halili. No good. Same ball. Seconds of the shot clock. Steal by Belen. Belen to Polillo. Polillo wide open lane. Polillo to points. Remaining time 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Official score 82-64. Mahaba pa ang habulin ng PTA. Pangilinan 2 points.
Walang tawa yan.
Belen na ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Belen no good. Rebound to Luna. Luna to Pangilinan. Pangilinan to Aisen Halili. Halili to top of the key 3 points. Polilio. 14 seconds to shoot. Three guys to win. Nam, number 19, first personal foul. Pangilinan, tumakas ng Halili, taking the three again. Halili, no good. Rebound by Pangilinan. Pangilinan, tulong na block. Adelina plays one ball. Kick out to Belen. Belen, 2 points. Halili, to Pangilinan. Wait lang daw. Pangilinan, no good. Rebound, Polilio. Polilio, taking the three. No good. The rebound, Carcuera. Carcuera to Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Steal by Belen. Belen, right out in the lane. Belen, 2 points. Division score 86-69. In favor pa din ng Adelina Phase 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan to Columna. Columna no good. Carcueva. Foul. Foul number 19. Number 19. Graduate. Seconds on the shot clock. Pangilinan, ikaw to Carcueva. Carcueva no good. Rebound, Columna bomb. Columna foul. Number 14. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Adelina Phase 1. Columna first free throw basket is no good. Second free throw basket is good, no good. Pangilinan rebound. Pangilinan, no good. Belen, rebound the ball. Belen, lumipad na naman. Belen, 2 points. Yo ang bola. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution. Mandak in, Miraflor out. Santos taking a three, no good. Rebound, Carcueva. Second chance opportunity, no good. Columna finding where the rebound. Mandabi the save. Pass to number 0. Number 0. No good. Polilio got fouled by number. Foul number 10. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Kasi tingin ka agad sa akin. Tingin ka agad sa akin. Bakit sa akin? Para makita mo. Hindi, ganito lang yan. Titignan mo kasi hindi mo. Dip to the parents mo. Titignan mo. Para si...
They go back to the group. Adelina plays 1 ball. Next game, Black Knights versus Arms Squad.
Ayaw mo na na.
Then,
Sabi ko na.
to number 0. Number 0 wide open. No good. Polilio with the rebound. Polilio taking the 3. No good rebound, Pangilinan. Pangilinan bringing down the ball. Pangilinan. Foul number 0, second personal foul. Penalty.
Patilok lang.
Palit ng player. Penalty for Adelina Phase 1. Official score 90-68. Correction 69. Baliktaran. Pangilinan first free throw basket is good. Second free throw basket of the three by Cacueva. Cacueva. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Cacueva, no good. Rebound by Diaz. Diaz, 2 points. 18 ang lamang ng Adelina Phase 1. 14 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 5 seconds. Halili, wide open. Halili, no good. Rebound Diaz. Diaz, 2 points. Mr. Garbage time. Fourteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Galing to Polilio. Polilio jump shot. No good. Rebound Pangilinan. No way. Polilio. 2 puro rito. Polilio. No good. Rebound Cacueva. Cacueva on the loose. Cacueva to Diaz. Diaz favorite. No good. Rebound by Gaha. 2 kilometer. Number 10. 2 Polilio. Gaha to number 10. Number 10 na good Gaha with a rebound. Gaha no good rebound. Gulog na. 40 seconds to shoot. Cacueva. No good. 30 seconds to shoot. 25 seconds to shoot. Makikipag-appear na ang Captain Ball. That's it. Our final score, 90-74. Adelina Phase 1 taking the win. Next game, Black Knights versus Sunscore. Nice game to both teams. Sports lang.